out of sheer curiosity and knowing if I need to buy more cables or not, I'm going to open up this box to see if there's cables, because I got a bunch of hard drives that are going to need to be plugged up. I hope you can see my face. You should, yeah. Let's pull some stuff out. So, we have the GeForce GTX 1080 Founders Edition graphics card. Not one, but two graphics cards for computer action. So, gaming shouldn't be a problem, and rendering videos shouldn't be a problem. Along with that, we have a motherboard. We have a motherboard. It is the 10th anniversary Republic of Gamers. There it is. I forget the exact name. I'm sorry I don't know the exact name, but it's the Rampage 5 Edition 10. Or Rampage V. If you want to just say V, it's fine. This is the 1,200 watt power supply. They all come with these cool cases that do this. And along with that, we have a Water 3.0 Ring RGB 360 water cooling unit. And we all know that, as a really close smart friend of mine told me, LEDs make your rig faster. We got a Samsung 850 EVO drive SSD. Also bought these two fans to put onto the thing because never have enough fans, but I think my case covers it. But we got some WD black drives right there. Got my knife because I just turned the autofocus on. Drives, and see that it looks like this. Looks like this. It's on the casey stuff. I'm gonna leave it in this for now. Boom, 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 boom. There goes the dynamite. Windows 10, 128 gigabytes of Fury. And yeah, that's the RAM that I got. So a lot of goodies here. So should be fun.
Should have seen that coming.
You can send this to your mom and Lauren.
Subscribe, Mom.
Welcome to a new character on the Max Show. We'll be right back after these short messages. Oh yeah, check this out.
Ooh, is that what you were waiting on? Well, I thought you got taller since I saw you back.
Cool.
No idea what they're talking about though.
That thing. Holy spaceballs, Batman! It's quite large, but you know, it's what I wanted because I have a lot of stuff I need to do for putting all these parts inside this PC. And I don't care how big it is at all. I don't need a low profile because I want to make some cool stuff. All I care about is final output of my work, actually. So let's find out. One of the last pieces to the puzzle of the computer build. It is a VNAND SSD 950 Pro M.2 Express card. So that is going to be my boot drive for the thing to make this computer work. Except for some cables coming tomorrow that I'm not sure if I need or not, but hopefully I can convince one of my friends to come help me build this so I can just film it and enjoy it. Okay. Talk to you later. You ain't even halfway through your drink yet.
I forgot I had a drink, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, you put it.
Everybody knows that a uterus is a tracking device. They can find stuff.
My experience has gone the opposite way.